Meaning of dresser.
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 Dresser. A dresser is a piece of furniture typically used for storing clothing and accessories. It usually consists of a set of drawers with a flat surface on top for displaying items like photos or jewelry boxes. Dressers can vary in size, style, and material, from rustic wooden designs to sleek modern models made from metal or glass. Many dressers also have mirrors attached to them, allowing people to check their appearance before heading out for the day. Overall, dressers are essential for keeping clothes organized and accessible while also adding style to a bedroom or dressing room.